We only have limited resources within this world, and so looking at ways to try and reduce what goes into the landfill in the first place is probably the best way to try and limit any environmental impact. A lot of our clients have an end goal in mind, or may have a general idea of an end goal in mind, but they don't know the steps to get there. Here at Foth, we guide clients to make strong waste management decisions that limit environmental impacts and serves their communities.
Foth has helped us grow from the get-go, and without them, we wouldn't be where we are today. When the two counties formed a joint powers agreement and decided to buy this facility that was 30 years old, they didn't want to do status quo. They wanted to maximize how we see the waste and pull as much value out of the waste stream.
The program is designed to be really efficient and as easy as possible for residents to participate in. Once they get their free supply of bags, they just put their food scraps into those bags and they put it into their trash. And when their trash goes out, they're done. It's as simple as that.
That trash then gets brought down to the Recycling and Energy Center. It goes up a series of conveyors, and they use robotics to pull the very specific bags out, and those bags are then dropped onto another conveyor and then dropped into a trailer that's initially being used for compost, and in 2026 will be used for anaerobic digestion.
Our vision and missions are in line. By executing this program, we're going to be able to move 50,000 tons of material up the waste hierarchy to recycling.
There will be fewer greenhouse gas emissions that are released because of the co-collection model that's been designed. There will be fewer trucks that are on the road because it will all be collected with the same vehicle that collects trash. It's been really exciting to be part of a program that we're developing from scratch and to work with a team that we have here that's so passionate.
We can see that each week we're getting more material and more material that's getting diverted and going to composter. And this year should be an exciting year to see how things continue to develop.